Italian kitchen creations. Passion on the plate, mastering the art of Italian cooking. Dive into the heart of Italy with this culinary journey that explores the rich flavors and techniques of authentic Italian cooking. From pasta perfection to savory sauces, unlock the secrets of the Mediterranean kitchen and bring the taste of Italy to your table. 10 tips for delicious Italian cooking. Embrace the power of fresh ingredients. Italian cuisine thrives on the simplicity of fresh, high-quality ingredients. Opt for locally sourced produce and premium meats to elevate your dishes. Mastering the art of pasta making, learn the craft of creating homemade pasta, from silky sheets of lasagna to perfectly al dente spaghetti. Discover the joy of crafting pasta from scratch. Sauces that sing. Explore the world of Italian sauces, from the classic marinara to the rich and velvety bolognese. Master the balance of flavors and textures that make these sauces the backbone of Italian cuisine. Risotto perfection. Uncover the secrets to achieving the creamy, decadent texture of a perfectly cooked risotto. Experiment with various flavors, from mushroom to saffron, to create your signature dish. Olive oil elegance. Understand the nuances of using olive oil in Italian cooking. Learn how to choose the right type for different dishes and use it as a flavorful base for dressings and marinades. Cheese. Please, delve into the world of Italian cheeses, from the iconic Parmigiano Reggiano to the creamy burrata. Discover how to incorporate these cheeses into your dishes for an authentic touch. Pizza passion. Create the perfect pizza at home, from crafting a crispy crust to choosing the finest toppings. Experiment with traditional combinations or get creative with your own unique flavor profiles. A symphony of herbs. Elevate your dishes with a medley of fresh herbs. Learn which herbs are essential in Italian cuisine and how to use them to enhance the overall flavor of your creations. Espresso excellence. Wrap up your Italian meal with the perfect cup of espresso. Explore the art of brewing this iconic coffee and discover the rituals that surround it. Dolce dreams. Indulge your sweet tooth with classic Italian desserts. From tiramisu to cannoli, learn the techniques to create decadent treats that will transport you straight to the streets of Rome. Buon appetito! As you savor the last bite of your homemade Italian masterpiece, take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and richness of the flavors you've crafted. Italian cooking isn't just about recipes, it's a celebration of life, love, and the joy found in every mouthful. Whether you're sharing a meal with family or indulging in a solo culinary adventure, the essence of Italy lingers in the air. So, raise a glass to the beauty of fresh ingredients, the art of pasta making, and the warmth of a well-cooked meal. In every sprinkle of Parmesan, every swirl of olive oil, and every sip of your favorite Italian wine, you've captured a piece of Italy's soul. So, until the next time you gather around the table, may your kitchen be filled with the echoes of laughter, the aroma of delicious dishes, and the unmistakable spirit of Italian cooking. Alla prossima volta. Like, share, subscribe. #BreadContent.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms.Coffee.